If you are an Amazon or Amazon Handmade seller, stick around and I'm going to show you some really cool eRank tools that you can use to help optimize your SEO and find trends before they get hot. One tool you can use is eRank's keyword tool. Simply type in whatever keyword you want at the top. I'm going to type in tote bag and choose from the drop-down menu which marketplace you want to see results for. It defaults to Etsy, but you can choose between Amazon, Amazon Audible, Books, Kindle, Barnes & Noble, eBay, Facebook, and more. Let's just stick to Amazon. So we're going to search tote bag on Amazon. We're going to click the little magnifying glass, and that's going to run the search for us. Once the tool loads, you'll be able to see the keyword statistics for this keyword. It includes average searches and average clicks. It'll also show you if a keyword is currently trending with this little purple bar here. You'll also be able to see search trends over time and which country those buyers are in. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see related keywords that might give you ideas about other keywords you can use within your SEO for your shop. You also may get inspired for new products, such as tote bag, lunch bag. Maybe you can make lunch bags and not just tote bags, or shoulder bags, or canvas bags, or ones for teachers. There's a wealth of information here for you to explore. And if you're on Etsy or Amazon, you can always use data from each platform to influence your SEO decisions, especially if you're an Amazon Handmade seller and you post items in two different shops. Another tool that you can use is eRank's Trend Buzz tool, which lets you see real shopper search data from many marketplaces for the past 30 days. So I have Amazon picked right now, but you can click the drop-down menu and see a whole bunch of different Amazon platforms. You can see physical locations such as Best Buy. You can see Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Google Shopping, Lowe's, Macy's, Pinterest even. You can see tons of different platforms. For now, we're just going to stick with Amazon. So when I run the data, I can scroll down and see what the top searches were for the past 30 days. And it's set to the USA for me, but you can pick from a variety of countries as well. So not only does it show you the keyword, but it also shows you a search trend graph. This is great for seeing if a keyword is seasonal or if it's come out of nowhere with huge spikes. So you can hover over each of the months and it'll show you the average searches for that month for that keyword on that platform. So for example, we have keyboard, number 9 last month, and we can see that it's got about 754,000 searches on Amazon. So maybe you sell keycaps. That might be a great thing to sell to capitalize on a keyboard trend. You can scroll down and see tons of different items and their search trends. So you can get ahead of any of those spikes before your competition. Let's check out one more tool that can help you excel if you're an Amazon Handmade seller. Another tool that you can use is the eRank browser extension, which is a Chrome-based extension available for free download. Once you link it up to your eRank account, you'll be able to use it directly on the Amazon platform. So I have it installed already, so I'm going to open it up, and it's going to show me on the right-hand side what the trending keywords are on Amazon right now. So this is very similar to the Trend Buzz tool, but for this extension, I can do it directly from the platform. I can also change it to be Amazon Handmade, also directly in the extension, and I'll be able to see the hottest keywords that are on Amazon Handmade straight from the Amazon homepage. Those are just 3 of the ways that eRank can help Amazon sellers optimize their shop, perform keyword research, and find trends. We welcome you to join our communities and check out our other social media platforms for more tips, tricks, and help growing your e-commerce business.